Yeah, it's a piggyback from JB4.
Okay.
And it has Catless mid pipes from SSR.
Pushing what, close to like 400 horsepower at the wheels?
Like 390, 400 wheels, yeah.
And you said you've run like 392s before? What is going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. It's your boy Rush, back at it again. Tonight we have an exciting video for you. We're putting my SRT 392 up against a Kia Stinger GT. Yes, you heard me right, a Kia Stinger GT. A lot of people don't know about this car, but these cars are actually pretty quick. They're all-wheel drive. They make about 400 horsepower or so, stock, I believe. So with modifications, they should push some pretty good power. And I think, the power to weight should come out in an advantage for the Kia. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a run. This owner hit me up. He wanted to kind of test out, see what his car is all about. And he's seen the videos. So we're gonna go ahead and meet up tonight and, put the cars head to head and see what they can do. So I'm gonna pull up right now, meet up with the owner and, see this thing for the first time. I've never really paid attention to these cars. I don't know too much about Kias, but we'll get to learn something new tonight, and hopefully side boot can hold her own. So I see it. We just pulled up here and the Stinger is hanging out over there. So we're about to cruise up and say hi. All right, so go ahead, tell us a little bit about your car, what you got kind of done to it.
Yeah, so I have a JB4 piggyback under the hood. It's a 4 PSI over stock.
One question, what year is it?
It's 2019.
So 2019 Kia Stinger GT.
Rear-wheel drive.
Rear-wheel drive, okay. And it's got a piggyback, you said?
Yeah, it's a piggyback from JB4.
Okay.
And it has Catless mid pipes from SSR and just the standard muffler delete.
Cool. And you're running a wider wheel and tire setup?
Yeah, so these are all 19 by 9.5 with Michelin PS4s 265s.
265s, okay, cool. And you said you've run like 392s before, GTs?
Yeah, just from the dig, not from a roll.
Okay, and you usually get those from a dig?
I get them from dig, yeah.
Okay, because I heard these are pretty nasty from a dig.
Yeah, they're pretty good from the dig. They just take off because they hit peak torque at 1200 RPMs.
Okay, so the power's right there.
Yeah. Like that guy right there.
It's a very nice looking car, man.
Thank you.
I really like this. It's like a titanium or dark chrome.
Yeah, it's like a black chrome. I was gonna do the whole thing wrapped as well, but
No, it looks good, bro. It looks good because it has a little accents going on.
Yeah.
I like it. So what are your predictions tonight? What do you think is gonna happen? Be honest, it's all good. I mean, I know you're pushing what, close to like 400 horsepower at the wheels.
Like 390, 400 wheel. Yeah.
That's impressive, man. Okay. And you have a lighter car, obviously. You told me it weighs about, what is it roughly? Like what?
3,900.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. So.
So my car is probably like 4,400 pounds.
Yeah.
Yeah. I might have you a little bit on power, just a bit though. I don't think it's gonna be by much. Like, you know, 415, 420. I think is what those dyno at the wheel.
Yeah.
So it'd be a very good run, man. I'm actually really curious to see. So this has an 8-speed in it.
8-speed, yeah.
And that's got an 8-speed in it. We're gonna get roasted for racing automatics because I always do, but yeah. It's just the way it goes, man. So what kind of rolls you want to do?
It's up to you. You want to do a 40, 50, 60?
Yeah, that's cool with me.
Yeah.
How's your transmission like for a 40-year-old? What gear are you in? Second?
I'm in second gear, like 4,000 RPMs.
Okay, kind of like me. All right. Seems like a really good matchup, man. I'm actually excited.
Yeah, hopefully it goes well.
Cool. All right, man. Let's go ahead and head out and get some runs in.
All right, cool.
You've seen what Side Boo can do, so hopefully tonight she doesn't disappoint. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and head out to Mexico real quick. Kind of get a few runs in for you guys, see what these cars can do. Pretty excited. I've never really seen what these Stingers can do, and I've heard about them though. There's some people I mentioned. You know, I should probably line up with one, see what they can do. So here's my car. As you guys know, Side Boo. She's back on stock kind of wheels, and she has some Eagle Exhilarate tires on her. They're pretty good tires, but yeah, other than a Hellcat Airbox, this thing really doesn't have much going on for it. So here we go. All right, guys, I'm kind of worried. I'm not gonna lie. I think this thing looks like it's probably packing a punch. In a 400 wheel with a 3,800 pound car, should get it moving pretty well, and it has an 8-speed. So I really don't know what to make of it. And he said it, reaches power real quick too, like at 1,200 RPM. So yeah, Side Boo might get gapped, but the Mustang will come back for revenge if she does. So here we go. I think he's pretty surprised because he did tell me that he raced a few 392s, but I guess he was dig racing them, so they weren't as quick. But yeah, no, these things on a roll are nasty. Don't let anyone tell you different. They might weigh a lot, but they have the torque and the punch to get them moving off a 40, off a 20 roll, 50, 60. They definitely got power. It's super cold out tonight. I would have told them let's do a dig, but I don't think there's any way we're gonna get our tires warm enough. It's like 47 degrees outside and my hand was freezing just kind of recording that video. But yeah, definitely solid runs. All right, there it is. Ooh, Solid runs, guys. Definitely solid runs.
Yeah, I was surprised how like you got me by like 2 car lengths, 3 car lengths. I was like, damn.
Yeah, man. These things, I think a lot of people underestimate them, but because it's such a big motor,
Yeah.
and it has like all the torque,
Okay.
it definitely has packs a punch. Like
Yeah.
you saw it, like off the 50s or whatever. Was it like meet your expectations?
I thought it was gonna be a little closer, honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was a little disappointed.
That's crazy, man. But no, this thing moves though. I mean, for it's a sedan at the end of the day, you know.
Yeah.
So it definitely packs a punch because I wanted to give you like the hit and see if I can like kind of get like track you down.
Yeah.
But we didn't get a chance to. But we did like a total of what, 4 or 5 runs?
Yeah, we did like 240s, 150,
160.
Yeah.
Yeah. What was the worst one you would say?
I think the 40s were my worst ones.
Really?
Yeah, I think so.
Is that like you're not in your power band?
Yeah, because I'm like at 4,000s on second gear, I think. Like,
Gotcha. So what's your ideal roll?
I think that our best one was 60. I think
60 is like the best one
yeah,
for you?
I was doing like 5 on third gear.
Gotcha. Yeah.
But yeah. 60 was our for sure because I was next to you for a little longer than the rest of them.
Fun runs, man.
Yeah,
well, I appreciate you coming out, dude, and it was definitely a good run.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching the videos too. You got it, bro. Yeah. So, guys, yeah, I mean, that's kind of the little bit of a comparison. This is a GT Stinger. It's got a little bit of mods. My car, as you guys know, has the Hellcat Airbox, but yeah, just like these things for roll racing are pretty powerful. Yeah. You know, they definitely pack a punch. So it kind of surprised you would say a little bit. Yeah, because see, like power numbers are one thing, but it's just how the power comes on.
Yeah.
You know, with a naturally aspirated motor like this that's pushing a lot of torque, it you know, the push is there.
Yeah, I was surprised because I'm like, it's like 50 degrees. I'm like, that's good for my turbos.
Yeah, it's like boost weather kind of, right?
Yeah. When it's cold, it's good for the turbos.
Yeah.
The engine's like spazzing out a little here.
Oh, really? Yeah, it has the fans running. Yeah. You're running it hard. But yeah, man. All right, cool, bro. Well, thanks for running it. I'll catch you maybe around sometime.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, have a good night, bro. Drive safe. So this guy was pretty chill, man. He just came, he ran his car, not his mouth, and it was fun, man. Definitely a fun ride. It's a very good looking car, don't get me wrong, but I don't think you can beat a V8. All right, boys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here for tonight. I just got back from running, you know, in Mexico, of course. And, you know, the SRT just does what she does, man. She definitely pulls on the rolls. I think, you know, for a stock car, there's really not too much that can match up with it. You know, these things move. I know they weigh a lot, and a lot of people want you to think different, but on a roll, this 6.4 is definitely a very impressive engine, especially paired up with the 8-speed. You know, it just goes through the gears real good, and it has the right power to just keep on pulling. So I noticed that the Kia really didn't have much steam, like off of the hit. It really wasn't going anywhere. It didn't seem like it moved, versus the SRT, it just kind of, you know, smacks you in the back of the head and just gets running. Versus the Kia, it had to kind of build up and get moving, but even then it was a little too far gone for it in terms of the race. I was already way too far ahead. I did kind of start braking once I saw that there was like a 2-3 car length between us. I would just get on the brakes. On the last one, I tried to kind of delay it a little bit. I wanted to see if he would get more of a jump or kind of get moving, get the hit, I guess, but still it really wasn't much. But I like these kind of races, man, because, you know, the owner showed up, real respectful guy, kind of just did his thing and kept it cool, and that's it. You know, took his L and went home. You know, and that's the same thing I would do if I race somebody that's faster than me or that, you know, beats me. All due respect, man, at the end of the day, we're racing for fun. There's no money, there's nothing like that. It just kind of see where the cars stand up or where they stack up, I guess, and that's about it. So there's really no need to be upset or anything like that. And I know there's a ton of you that are probably going to see this video and going to wonder what's up with this. This is an eel wire mod, so if you haven't checked it out, I will leave a link in the description because I get asked a ton of questions about this. So that's what this is in here inside the interior. It's just an eel wire that I've had for close to 2 years now, and it looks pretty awesome. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed tonight's video. If you did, drop a like. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. It's your boy Rush and my SRT, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.